Hey guys, my name is Hannah McCory, and as you may know from previous videos, I am the Referral Marketing Coordinator here at MWG Direct, and my role is to help agents like you who need a free Medicare and retirement insurance resource for your clients. So today I'm going to share some factors that your client will need to consider for retirement when coming off their insurance group plan. The first factor is picking a Medicare advisor. Your client will need a trusted resource, and that's where we come in. We have a Medicare supplement referral program where you can refer through your personalized referral link and earn $100 for a Medicare supplement that they purchase. And the second factor, knowing how and when to enroll in Medicare. One way we assist your client is making sure they understand the enrollment process. You can rest assured knowing that they have coverage when coming off of group insurance. And the last one, Medicare supplement insurance options. Since Medicare pays 80% and your client is left with the remaining 20%, we can provide supplemental insurance options that will help cover that gap while staying in budget. If you have a client who is retiring and you would like to refer, don't forget to register for our referral program by clicking the link at the top of the screen for a step-by-step tutorial. And as always, if you have any questions or need updates on what's going on behind the scenes, please email me at hannah.mccory@morganwhite.com or give me a call 877-759-5762 extension 1177. We are looking forward to being your #1 Medicare and retirement insurance resource.